chat. I just found the love of my life right now. Can't lie, can't even lie. Last time my life was 5 years ago, and since then, my life has been good, fam. Just let me show you the love of my life. You know? This is meat pie. Meat pie making meat pie. She's making me pie. But in a meat pie. Oh my god, and she shakes bunda too. That's massive. That's massive. Meat pie making meat pie. I know what is there. I know what is there. She just put something right now. You understand? Yo,
Marinate that shit.